Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com. If you follow our channel, you know I'm a cosmetic facial surgeon in Richmond, Virginia. I do surgery from here to here, and I don't do boobs, bellies, and butts. Thank you so much, YouTubers. I have over 20 million views on our channel, and it just keeps growing, and I talk to people from all over the world. And I just had a really kind of interesting request, and that was to talk a little bit about cosmetic surgery shaming, okay? Now, this is an interesting concept because especially you go back a generation or so ago, and people were very, very private about cosmetic surgery. And people, were also like, he's had work done or she's had work done, like it was this big, horrible situation or they did something wrong. And things have almost totally reversed today. People are much more open. They talk about this. And if you just look at Instagram or whatever, people brag about it, okay? But that's not necessarily good as well. In this day and age, we are so much more personable and aware of each other's being and race and religion and sexuality, etc. We are much more tolerant and accepting, and people don't like shaming of anything. They don't like fat shaming or skinny shaming or you name it. And people get called out when they do that, which is good. We have a better, I think, a more tolerant society than we used to. Although with social media, a lot of that still goes on. So here's what I tell people. People come in and some people say, well, I want to have cosmetic surgery. I want you to do a facelift and eyelids and everything, but I don't want anybody to know, okay? That's not a healthy attitude, because I tell people that when you do this, if you do this, you need to do it for you. You need to do it so when you look in the mirror, you feel good about yourself. And if other people know, so be it, okay? It's not like you're an axe murderer. You improved your appearance. And if you're going to be so caught up in the situation where you don't want anybody to know, then you shouldn't do surgery. Now, I've been doing this for decades and have done, thousands and thousands of cosmetic surgeries. And it's kind of interesting because some people don't want anybody to know. Some people could care less. Who knows? Some people would not want me to put their pictures on the website, which of course I totally respect that privacy. And there's other people that, if I don't put their pictures on the website, they're unhappy because they, well, didn't you like my surgery? So it's really, it boils down to a personal thing. And obviously, the two things that I have to do are patient safety and natural appearance. I have to do that. And, we have, I think, one of the larger facelift practices on the East Coast. And it's my passion. But you have to choose the right patient if you're a surgeon. And for the young doctors watching this, it's so important to choose the right patient. And for the patients watching this, it's so important to choose the right doctor. So we both kind of have some skin in this game, no pun intended. And what I'm saying is this: when a patient comes into my office and they want to have a procedure and nobody can know and it's got to be secret, and that's kind of a red flag. So I think if you're going to have cosmetic surgery, what you want to do is have it for yourself and understand that you're doing it to make yourself look and feel better. There will always be those jealous people out there. And what I have seen frequently or from time to time is somebody will shame a person or make a negative comment. But frequently, those are the people that either can't have cosmetic surgery, maybe their spouse won't let them have cosmetic surgery, and it's just really a jealousy thing. So good cosmetic surgery should whisper and not scream. So it's not like we want our patients to walk around and say, hey, I had, cosmetic surgery. But when I do this, I do it for a safe outcome with a natural appearance. I want happy patients. I want well-adjusted patients. And part of that means that, yep, I did have something done. And so I hope that makes sense. I know I rambled a little bit. So it's not good to shame anybody for anything. And if you're going to have cosmetic surgery, do it for yourself. And understand that there may be an occasional person that has a left-handed comment. So thank you for your time. I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com.